The science of animal behavior. Of key importance to the study of animal behavior is evolution. Evolution results from individuals passing on traits to their offspring, which over generations results in a change in those traits. This can even lead to the formation of new species, leading to the enormous species diversity we observe on Earth. The three main processes that drive evolution are mutation, genetic drift, and natural selection. 1. Mutations are random changes in genetic material. And 2. Genetic drift is the influence of chance on whether or not an individual reproduces. 3. Natural selection acts on the fact that some individuals are better adapted to the environment than others. The individuals that are a little bit better adapted will have an advantage and will produce more offspring. They have a higher fitness than the individuals that don't have these traits. If the adaptive traits are heritable, this will lead to a higher frequency of these traits in the population. Once you decide to study animal behavior, you almost inevitably will start asking the question, why? There are 4 different why questions to study, and these 4 whys are referred to as Tinbergen's 4 whys, based on the work by Nico Tinbergen, one of the founders of the scientific study of animal behavior. 1. What makes an individual show a certain behavior? Causation. 2. How did an individual develop the ability to show this behavior? Development of behavior. 3. How did this behavior evolve? Evolution. 4. What is the function of the behavior? Function and survival value. The first 2 whys make up the proximate questions, which are more about the causes of behavior, and the last 2 make up the ultimate questions, which are more about the consequences. So how can we best study these questions? You start by formulating a hypothesis that needs to be justified and leads to your prediction about what the animals will do. For example, birdsong is a territorial signal, can be your hypothesis for an experiment. It leads to the prediction that a male will respond strongly in a playback experiment in which a rival's male song is broadcast on its territory. By observations, experiments, comparative studies, or theoretical models, you can test such hypotheses. The results of these types of studies have gained and will gain more insight into why animals do what they do.